So when is the day of Arafah? Because there is a big question about the sighting of the moon and whether we should be with the Hujjaj in Mecca or in Arafah, or whether we should do it on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah wherever we are. Is it when the Hujjaj are in Arafah? Some people are following that opinion. We love you. And some people are following the other opinion to say, you know what, 9th of Dhul Hijjah, wherever you are, that's the opinion we follow, and that is what the bulk and the majority of the world actually follow. And those of us who will be having Eid on the Monday, may Allah make it easy for us. The 9th of Dhul Hijjah would be the Sunday, that would be the fast. On that Sunday is our 9th of Dhul Hijjah in this region, because the entire region did not see the moon at all. The entire region did not see the moon. Now from amongst us, there are some who might say, no. We will celebrate Eid when it is done in Mecca. No problem, you can follow that opinion. We are not going to fight with you. We love you. You are our brothers. MashaAllah, enjoy the Eid. Eid Mubarak to you. And please have a blessed time. But don't fight with us. Don't fight with us. Why? We are following legitimate opinions of schools of thought that have registered these opinions backed with evidence going back to the time of the Prophet ﷺ. So there are some scholars who say you should fast when the Hujjaj are in Arafah. Okay, they will get stuck the day we see the moon before the people of Saudi Arabia. They will be stuck. Then they will have to come back to this opinion. But no problem. So when it comes to the moon, there are two opinions. One is either we should all be on a global sighting, or we should be on a regional sighting. In order to achieve a global sighting, we would need the cooperation of the whole world. The reason is, if someone sees it before us and we are prepared to accept it from them, what if we see it before them? Are they prepared to accept it from us? Simple logic. For example, if Saudi Arabia sees the moon and everyone else says, okay, we agree with it. What if a year comes and they have come when we have seen the moon before Saudi Arabia? Are they prepared to follow what we have cited? If the answer is yes, then perhaps we can look into something known as a global sighting, where everyone can follow the first person who sights the moon. But if there's no cooperation, and for your information, there is no cooperation. In that particular instance, what can we do? If we are to follow them and we are to have the day of Arafah when the Hujjaj are in Arafah, what if we have seen the moon before them one of the years, and for us it's the day of Eid and the Hujjaj are in Arafah? Now what do? You are stuck. Why are you stuck? Because you didn't understand jurisprudence.
Allahu Akbar. To, naam. Azande Mufti Ismail Menk, Hafizahullah, wa bayane zan kulpa golma tabata nomba pulongoma netenya nzid lahaba shamzan tumtuma ngoma na lala yallama de kahge pam de paba shaw den toller musulanma de kulnyala bandbe mala ra'yi buyidene dina ka golna tabata de kolonyala musulna zaha enya zana tumtuma be wannan tabata bob shelma be tang shelma be konko enya zana tumtuma ka tang shelba be bay nyame ka zana tumtuma be nya ka banna gole la la nyel be de kolonyala tang shel kolonya de gba sokam dananye afanam na pubu yidanama to kaba mizaha saati ni na musul no ay kulpi de pon shela an gboble de ba galam de nyala den tam kan la zo baza saati la ngon pi la den bo be ngon pi don bo wa zamane ngon pi den balama gba de ba galam de zo de ba toler musul no ma tan nata zan la kar le tole go ma do na so yorlon piede pon ma be jelen sen pieden ma na zo na on bangsamte ka gote ka che so yorlon de ya zante en peyo so yorlon de ya tahna gwan kon ko bana na on gomte so yorlon de ya tahra jelen sen tabna na on gomte tan zo gole na tabata de zan tumtuma la habal mana pa so kam ka bɛ zaa be bɔbli zaɣ yini maa bɛ zaa ni zaŋla tumtuma to amaa bia bela kantiŋ ha ka bɔb shɛli bin nyɛ o ŋɔ maa ami din gbahibu gba be to dini nyɛ ra'yi buyi maa afa shɛba ni di kuli nyɛla lahabali maa ni paaba maa ban zaŋla tumtuma din dee paaba di tuma tumbu ni na bi yaɣisi ha shɛli zaaha ni din gbahiba ka afa shɛba mi yɛli aayi di nyɛla ban be lala bɔbli maa bɛ kɔŋko nyɛbu bela di ko ka naan che ban be bɔb shɛli ha bee ban be tiŋ shɛli ha amaa ka bɛ zaa mi saɣati gba kuli pii di puni shɛli n to n gbibili to di zuɣu di mi bi waligi chimsi goli ka che chira din kpalim maa di bi waligi yawmu arafa ka che yawmu ashura bee yawmu nahar bee yawmu eid al-fitr bee bidayat ramadan ayi di bi waligi di kuli nyɛla mas'ala zaɣ yini maa n kuli bala zaɣ gaŋ maa n nyɛli dini ka yɛn zaŋ hanpiɛli goli kalili to a mi lihi taarihi ni di na bi niŋ ka musulinima ka bɛ zaaha yɛn laɣim yɛn gbubi goli kalili zaɣ yini chana di na bi niŋ lala to dini ka afa ŋɔ yɛlima di naan tooi niŋ la ni diri viɛla to amaa bɔhigu maa nyɛla din toona di niŋ ka nim saɣati ni luɣu shɛli nim yi nya zaŋ tumtuma ka nim yi nya lala nim maa bɛ mali shili ni bɛ di gba nyɛbu maa bee shɛba dabam nyɛbu bɛ mali shili ni bɛ deeli bɛ niŋ reedi ni bɛ deei to dini nyɛ yɛltɔɣa a yi lihi din kuli be duniya ni na chani zuŋɔ ŋɔ zaaha ayi di na bi niŋ reedi ni di deei lala ni yi be iya ka ni deei bee ni yɛn dolila tiŋ yaa kaza to laa tiŋ maa nima ban bi niŋ reedi ni bɛ yɛn deei la shɛba dabam nyɛbu bee nim ban doli ba maa nim gba nyɛmi ka ban bi nya ayi to din zuɣu pɔi ka musulin zaaha ka bɛ pɔha ni ti tooi yooi taba ka bɛ ʒini conference nima n gbaagi alikauli ni bɛ yɛn zaŋla goli tabata niŋ bɛ zaŋ doli taba yaa pɔi ka laa maa ti niŋ sokam na kuli gbubi wan pii shɛli ti o maŋa be tiŋ ni pii di puni shɛli ti maŋa na kuli gbubi yɛli di bi tu ni chɛmpiri taba lala tiŋ yini maa ni to di mi kuli wuhi ni biɛhigu maa ku kana gba tiŋ yini ni ka chɛmpiri taba to di chaaya ka di lɛbi zabili di bi tu ni di chɛmpiri taba amaa di wuhi ni laan na kuli kana ti paaya to zaŋ ya sooro n gbubi lala yɛlli ŋɔ maa ka di che ka di tuɣuliya di pa din tuɣuliri musulinima di pa din wandi musulinim noli di ti lɛbi daliri wandi musulinim noli yaa to suhuyurlim n kpe dinni maa bee ʒilinsi n kpe dinni maa naawuni baŋsim ti naawuni gum ti ka che suhuyurlim din yɛn zaŋ ti kpe yɔɣu wasalaamu alaikum wa rahmatullah